Hey guys, it's your girl Cynthia with an I don't know, just I. Well, a lot of people spell their name with Y, but mine is with an I don't know, that was random. But yeah, I hope you all are doing amazing, wonderful, fabulous, extravagant. Today I'm gonna show you guys this look that I made the other day for a festival, and I loved it. And I mean, my favorite color is pink, and this look is based on pinks. But I love this look so much. I told myself I would have to recreate it and show you how I did it. Pink makes me feel better. It makes everyone feel better. Or what color makes you feel better? But my color that makes me feel better is pink. And so I'm gonna show you how to make this pink look. By the way, I am wearing some crazy contacts. I'm gonna leave a link in the box, in the description box, so if you guys like these contacts, you can purchase them. Yeah, I mean, I like them. I know they're a little bit crazy, but I'm crazy. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and then I'll be back to you guys. Yay, I'm back with some brows on. They kind of look okay, but they're just gonna look so much better when I have the whole look on. I used the Decay brown box in the color brown sugar. Then I'm just gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photophocus face primer and prime all over my face. I really like this primer. It's just so silky and shiny, and I love it. It's so good. And then we're gonna go with the Urban Decay primer and the color Eden and put that all over our underbrow and all in our eyelid. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're just gonna use this cute baby beauty blender and just dab it all over our lid. And then we're gonna do this to the other eye. I just kind of did it off the camera. And then we're gonna go in with the Color Pop AF palette, and we're gonna use the color Big Cocktails, and I'm using the Wet n Wild flat brush, and just put that all over your lid. This is gonna be the base color, okay? And then we're gonna go with the other color from the same palette. It's called Chauffeur. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. And I'm just using this blending brush. I got it from Ross. It was with a little cute package, and it had like 7 brushes. I'm not exactly sure what the name of them are. Next, we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. Yes, you heard right. I'm using a blush trio for the eyeshadow, or as an eyeshadow. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but we are starting with the color basically, and I'm using the brush Wet n Wild P20, and we're gonna apply that on top of our crease and on top of the other color. Then we're just gonna do a bunch of layers, not a bunch but a few layers, and then just blend. And I'm doing the other eye. See, now it looks a bit more pinkish, which I love, and it looks gorgeous. Then we are gonna go with the color rose with an e.l.f. blending eye brush, and we're gonna put that under the crease, a little bit under, and just to mix these colors up and just make our little transition. I love it. I love these colors. Pink is just such a nice color, and I try to make it like so cute. Now we're gonna cut the crease using the Eco Tools angle brush, and I'm using the Urban Decay primer to cut this crease. And just be very careful with it, because I don't know, it's just so hard for me to do it. Maybe I'm just not talented at cutting the crease, but definitely makes it look super cute with this primer. I love it. Then we're gonna be using the sugar color from the trio, and I'm using a flat brush again from that same palette that I grabbed from Ross. Don't know, I really do. I wish I knew what the name was, not where, what the name was. And we're just gonna put it on top of the primer. Hey, just tap it on, girls. Tap, tap, tap. So this glitter, guys, I got it from eBay, and I'm using the color pink, and I'm putting that on top of the cut crease. And I ordered this from eBay a while ago, and they sent me like 10 of them, 10 different colors, and they're just so cute. This is like my favorite part. Glitter up, dazzle it up. Yes. No, but seriously, it just makes it look 10 times better. I love it, I love it. And I'm using not super glue, but the glue that you use for your eyelashes, and I swear to Jesus, it stays on the whole night. That glitter won't move, girl. And then I'm gonna use on top, just not on top, but between the crease, and I'm gonna put kind of like a white glitter. It's just so cute, and it's just gonna define the crease. And I'm using this eyeliner, it's supposed to be for eyeliner, like an eyeliner brush, and I kind of wet the brush, and I'm just putting it on the crease. It's just so cute. It makes a really big difference, and the colors are very different, so you can definitely see the white and the pink one. And it makes your eyes look so much bigger for some reason. Like, it defines your eyes. Love it. Do 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 do. Putting it on. I'm still putting it on. Okay, then just use your favorite mascara and put it on, girl. Time for the falsies. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild foundation. I'm using the color Bronze Beige, and I mixed it with the Desert Beige. Okay, then I'm just gonna dab with my dirty ass beauty blender. I mean, it still blends pretty good, and I really like how these two foundations that I combine look. It just gives me like the perfect color. The first one that I bought was the Desert Beige, but it was a little too dark for me, so then I had to buy a color after that one. And then this one was a little bit too white, so then I just mixed them both, and perfect. Then we're going to be using the Photofocus concealer from Wet n Wild in the color Light Medium Beige, and we're gonna put it under our dark ass circles to cover that shit up, and then make the nose poppin', make a little line. Yup. And I forgot what this is called, but yeah, on top of the lip, a little bit on your chin. Bunchies that out. I don't know what that means, but just kind of dab that shit up. Sink it into your soul. And I really like this concealer. It's so cute. And then we're gonna be using the NARS concealer dark 2, and it's called Cacao. And I'm using the ll's sculpting face brush, and I'm putting it on my cheekbones. Yup, I really like this brush, guys. It's so easy to apply and make that line. It's just so easy. I almost did not want to blend this, but you know, just so I deleted any harsh lines, I decided to blend this up. But I'm putting it on my forehead, a little bit on that chin to make that sharp as fuck. And then, like I said, I'm just gonna be blending it a tad bit, so you kind of delete those harsh lines, like move bitch, get out the way. I don't know. And then we're gonna blend on top, and then we're gonna be using again the same palette, the Anastasia, and use a rose color and just put it on your cheekbones. Give me some color, baby. And my favorite part, girl, you better put some glasses on, because this highlighter, it's poppin'. I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter Blossom Glow. Girls, I almost had a heart attack when I used this. I literally just got it and I almost died. It's so cute and so, oh my god, I just can't even describe it. And I'm using the ll's Flawless Concealer Brush, and I'm putting that on my nose right now. Girls, this is just such a colorful, beautiful, amazing, I can't even describe highlighter. Better than some high-end highlighters, I can promise you that. It's just so pigmented and so shiny. Look at that. I just can't get over that. It's just so beautiful. I love it. And I'm gonna put some under my brows just to make that shit pop even more. Pop, pop, pop. Tell me that shit's not cute. I just can't deal with it. Highlighter is on point for $5, girls. $5. Okay, then we're gonna go with the Rimmel Stay Matte and the number 001, and it's a transparent, and I'm using just a big fluffy brush. Use any big fluffy brush you like and just put it all over your face. And don't forget that neck, girl. Don't you dare forget that neck. Yeah, blend it out. I'm oily as fuck, so I have to put a shit ton of this on. Okay, then we're gonna go with this Saint Laurent pencil and the color number 1. And oh my god, I'm so terrible, guys. I usually don't do my lips. Like, I don't use color pencils ever or outline my lip, but girl, this color pencil is popping. It's so good and cute. I just love it. And I suck at drawing my lips, don't know why, but somehow this looked pretty decent at the end. Okay, girl, now we're gonna be using the Wet n Wild Megalast matte lipstick in the color Gimme Mocha. And honestly, I couldn't find this at my Walgreens store, so I literally had to order this online. But girl, these lipsticks are everything. They're so good. I just can't. Okay, time to spray that face, and I'm using that Milani Make It Dewy setting spray all over my face.
Hey guys, so we've made it to the end of the video. I really like this, not just because it has a lot of glitter, but it's pink and colorful and bright, and I really wanted to show you guys this look. Thank you all for watching my videos again, but I really do hope that you all like this video. I made it with so much love, like all my other videos. Show me some love. Show me some love. And like my video. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.